Hi, I'm Glenn Main and this is my bike check.
Set of ODI grips, very well worn, third bike that they've been on. I reckon they're a great grip, but I think I'm due for a new pair. A white Speedline lever, awesome lever, really good spring and return. A set of Supercross flatline bars. I run the flatline bars on both my 20-inch and my cruiser. I just like the feel of them. An S&M Patriot stem. I do like the look of this stem, but I think I'm due for an upgrade. A Supercross flush cap. Speedline headset. Set of Supercross 24-inch forks. Atom Lab front hub with a Sunridge big fat rim and a custom valve cap, a little Darth Vader pig. Tioga Compex tyres, all on my ENVY Supercross version 1 frame. Supercross pivotal seat and seat pole, Speedline seat clamp, profile cranks. I run both profile cranks on my Cruiser and 20. I really do like the chromo cranks. Imperial sprocket with Answer pedals, flat pedals, awesome pedals, don't run clips, couldn't run clips in my life. I'll run a Euro bottom bracket just to keep the simple setup. Speedline rear brakes. Atom Lab rear hub. Big fat rim on the rear again with a Tioga 24x1.6 rear tyre and singed chain tensioners.